Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is my day 18th of my 21 day English speaking challenge. So today I will talk about two modals, could and would. So could and would difference is could is showing past ability, like when we use can word, but in past tenses we use could instead of can. So let's start speak like this. In my childhood I could play whole day, and I could not wake up early in the morning. I could run very fast. So it is showing your past ability. And could also use it in like request something like, could you please, could you sit here, could you help me. So it is better than can version. It is softer than can. If you would if you use could word when you request something. And also so next we move on would word. Would use in the imaginary situation, and we when you are talking about your dreams, like uh, if I had a money, I would buy a car, I would buy a big house. I would buy a plane tickets. I would travel whole world. So it is kind of imaginary or dreamed sentence when you are talking about dream. So you will use instead of will, you use would word. And when you request something with anyone, so you can use would as well, like would you pass this pen, pass that pen, would you pass that book, would you pass the pass the bottle. So it is softer than could as well. When you when you are in the in the office premises, and other strange place, and you are talking or requesting with the strange person, so you can use would word when you request something. So all the thing I explained about the would and could. If you like my video, please press the like button and comment here, and where how gonna use to would and could word, please also explain me in the comment. And thank you so much. Please support me, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you get notified with the new videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye till then. We will meet you in next video. Bye bye, take care.